Hi, welcome to Bisworld Global channel. I'm Simon Chong as Director of Product Division of the Bisworld Global. Thank you to all because stay with us in this channel and follow us in the Bisworld Global. Today, we hope this episode can give you some health information on how to maintain a good health so you can enjoy a healthy, happy, and harmony lifestyle. Today we will be talking one of the amazing nutraceutical compound, Phytonutrient, with our invited guest speaker in topic Phytonutrient, fighting your better health. Before we start, let us to know what is Phytonutrients. Phytonutrient, also known as phytochemical, are plant-based compound with certain biological action that sustain the human health. There are thousands of these nutraceutical compounds that can potentially reduce the risk of the chronic disease. Based on some studies, phytonutrients stimulate enzymes that assist in the toxic remove, enhance immunity, contribute to the cardiovascular and brain health, promote healthy metabolism to maintain a good health. The World Health Organization (WHO) recommends that people should eat at least 5 different fruits and vegetables daily to provide the body with enough nutrients, especially phytonutrients and antioxidants. However, this recommendation appears to be challenging for most of the people because of their way of life and their unhealthy lifestyle. Based on a report from the WHO in 2017, almost 3 in 4 adults worldwide do not meet the recommended minimum of 5 servings or 400 grams per day. This insufficient of fruits and vegetable intake is among the top 10 selected risk factors for global mortality, including 40% of gastrointestinal cancer and 11% of heart diseases. The American Institute of Cancer Research claimed that phytonutrient helps block almost every step of cancer formation, including repairing damaged DNA, inhibiting the formation of free radicals, slowing the growth of cancer tissue, preventing the progression of the cancer, and regulating hormones that may stimulate cancer. The growing health awareness among consumers about the side effects of chemically processed products, there has been huge rise in demand for the phytonutrient and other natural plant-based products in these recent years. Therefore, the increasing natural medicine and organic agriculture has resulted in significant demand for phytonutrient and plant-based products in the nutraceutical industry. The consumption of plant extracts and ingredients such as phytonutrient able to prevent disease as plant-derived products are considered more beneficial in comparison to other chemical-based medicines for healthy people. It's my great pleasure to invite Professor Dr. Zullies Ikawati, our Smart Lab panel member, to discuss further on the phytonutrient and health promoting in detail today. Professor Dr. Zullies Ikawati is a senior lecturer and researcher from Faculty of Pharmacy, University of Gadjah Mada, Indonesia. She is a National Committee of Indonesia Pharmacy Association and Indonesia Pharmacology Society. She is actively in academic research, especially in pharmacology, clinical pharmacy, and pharmacogenomics. She has published several medical books in field of pharmacology, such as Pengantar Pharmacology Molecular, Pharmacotherapy Penyakit Sistem Pernafasan, Pharmacotherapy Penyakit Sistem Saraf Pusat, and etc., which used by most of the medical school. Currently, she is in charge as head of the master program in clinical pharmacy, Faculty of Pharmacy, University of Gadjah Mada, Indonesia. In this position, she is interested in building an interprofessional education and to support the national and global healthcare. Currently, she is the member of Smart Lab panel of the Biswa Group. Let us know more about the potential health benefit of phytonutrients to promote our health from Professor Dr. Zullies Ikawati.
Hello, good day everyone. I'm Zullies Ikawati, a professor in pharmacology from Gadjah Mada University, Indonesia. Today, I'm happy to share information with you about the phytonutrient and their role in maintaining health. I'm gonna talk about the definition of phytonutrient, the health benefit and their mechanism, and about Fytomaxx, a herbal product which is rich with phytonutrient. What is the phytonutrient? Phytonutrients are natural chemicals produced by plants. They are also called phytochemicals. And originally, plants use phytonutrients to stay healthy. For example, some phytonutrients protect plants from insect attack or protect against UV rays. In humans, phytonutrient can also provide significant health benefit for who eat plants food. Well, let's learn about what phytonutrient can do for us. Where do the phytonutrient come from? Phytonutrient can be found in the fruits, vegetables, and other plant-based foods like grain, soy, nuts, beans, etc. And what is the basic role of phytonutrient? Phytonutrients are different from vitamin, minerals, or micronutrients like protein, carbohydrate, and fats. As far as its function, this nutrient can be thought as a part of the plant's immune system, as they offer protection against virus, bacteria, fungi, and parasites. Many of the phytonutrients give color or smells to the plant. And food containing phytochemicals are often very colorful. There is a such correlation between vegetables and fruit colors with the phytonutrients. How is the correlation? For example, carrots, grapefruit, pineapple that have yellow to orange color contain carotenoid and lutein that is beneficial to maintain heart, vision, and immune system. While the blueberry, sweet potato, grapes, which have blue to purple color, containing anthocyanin and flavonols that can lower the risk of some cancer, promotes healthy aging, and improve urinary tract health. Okay, let's have a look at the phytonutrient beneficial effect in maintaining health and prevent human disease. What are the health benefits of phytonutrients? Okay, I can mention several. First, the phytonutrient can prevent disease by acting as antioxidant. As we know, the normal essential metabolic process in the body or external exposure such as X-rays, ozone, cigarette smoking, air pollutant, industrial chemicals can result in free radicals and other reactive oxygen species. A free radical can be defined as a molecular species capable of independent existence that contain an unpaired electron in an atomic orbital. Many radicals are unstable and highly reactive. They can either donate an electron to or accept an electron from other molecules, therefore behaving as oxidant or reductants. Generally, free radicals in our body are neutralized by enzymatic antioxidants such as superoxide dismutase, catalase, glutathione peroxidase, and glutathione reductase. And Where the free radicals are overproduced in our body, there will be an imbalance between antioxidant defense system and that amount of free radicals generated in the body, which is known as oxidative stress. The excess free radicals can attack the macromolecules such as lipid, protein, DNA, and alter the structure of the cell membrane. The process may lead to the tissue damage and contribute to the pathogenesis of many diseases like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, cancer, aging, and other chronic diseases. For this situation, we need additional antioxidant agent that can be obtained from outside of the body. Antioxidants are substances that when present in low concentration significantly delays or inhibit the oxidation of the substrate. Many phytonutrients can act as antioxidants, which have stable molecules that donate their electrons to unstable free radicals. There are many phytonutrients possess antioxidant activity, such as those in carotenoids and flavonoids. Food containing phytonutrients can prevent the oxidative stress that in turn prevent many diseases. One example of herbal product possessing antioxidant activity is Fytomaxx. Fytomaxx has moderate antioxidant activity, and the regular use of Fytomaxx can maintain our health. Second benefit of phytonutrient is that they can prevent toxic substance in the diet from becoming carcinogenic. One of phytonutrient like flavonoid can prevent carcinogenesis by inhibiting the activities of certain P450 isoenzyme, which are responsible for the production of a number of procarcinogenesis. Flavonoid also has been reported to help production of metabolizing enzyme such as GST, quinone reductase, and uridine 5-phosphoglucuronyl transferase, by which carcinogens are detoxified and thus eliminated from the body. Well, the third benefit of the phytonutrient is that phytonutrient has anti-inflammatory activity. One of the most common flavon, like apigenin, could mediate anti-inflammatory effect in vivo via regulation of gene expression. Quercetin could reduce marker of oxidative stress and inflammation. Rutin may also be of value against inflammatory bowel disease as it suppresses inflammation and colonic damage in animal models of colitis when administered orally. Thus, a diverse phytochemical classes have been associated with anti-inflammatory activities. Next, the fourth benefit of phytonutrient is they can act as antimicrobial and antibacterial. Many scientific reports cite that some phytonutrients have effective antimicrobial and antibacterial activities. For example, flavonoids. Besides having antioxidant activity, flavonoids also reported to have antibacterial activity. Flavonoids have an ability to complex with extracellular and soluble protein and to complex with bacterial cell wall. Lipophilic flavonoids may also disrupt microbial membranes. That's why flavonoids show in vitro and in vivo antimicrobial activity against a wide range of microorganisms. And the low toxic potential of flavonoid make them ideal as antimicrobial agent. The next compound is tannin. Tannin is also show antibacterial activity. The antimicrobial mode of action of tannins may be related to their ability to inactivate microbial adhesion, enzymes, cells envelope transport protein, etc. Tannins has also been found to induce change in morphology of several species of ruminal bacteria. Due to their ability to bind protein and metals, tannin also inhibit the growth of microorganisms through substrate and metal ion deprivation. Next, the fifth benefit of phytonutrient as they can act as cofactor of enzyme reaction in metabolic process. Flavonoid like quercetin is reported to be able to rejuvenate fibroblasts and increase their lifespan by activating proteasomes that have function on destroy unneeded or damaged proteins by a process called proteolysis. Quercetin is known as enhancer of NRF2 transcription factor, where NRF2 has been shown to regulate gene forming 26S proteasome complex. The next benefit of phytonutrient is act as microcirculation enhancement factors. By doing this, they can give several effects like stabilizing blood sugar. The capability is proven by the effect of phytonutrient in stabilizing blood sugar. Again, the example is flavonoid quercetin that has anti-diabetic activity. Quercetin can lower the blood sugar by reduction of lipid peroxidation, glucose absorption by GLUT2, and also inhibition of insulin-dependent activation of PI3K. Quercetin stimulates glucose uptake in muscle and decrease the activity of glucokinase. A study saw that administration of quercetin within 2 weeks lowering the blood glucose level and enhance the serum insulin in diabetic mice. The second effect on microcirculation enhancement is stabilizing blood pressure level. Majority of the flavonoids such as glycine, hesperidin, myristin, luteolin have been reported to have the ability to reduce blood pressure in human or in rodents presenting with hypertension. Still, in the effect of microcirculation enhancement, the phytonutrient can stabilize blood lipid profile. Flavonoids such as naringenin and hesoerythrin have been reported to alter lipid metabolism and reduce atherosclerosis in animal model. This has been reported to increase HDL cholesterol concentration in animal model. Oral administration of rutin to streptozotocin-induced rats has been shown to increase plasma HDL cholesterol and decrease LDL and VLDL cholesterol. Now, after we know about the benefit of the phytonutrient, what happens if we insufficient of phytonutrient? Yeah, inadequate intakes of fruit and vegetables could contribute to the phytonutrient deficient or insufficient. Polyphenols from food resources have been associated with the various health-related benefits, including for cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes. Polyphenol insufficient is not associated with specific disease. However, adequate intake of polyphenols could confer health benefits, especially with regard to chronic disease. Polyphenols have been reported to have an antioxidant activity. Therefore, a polyphenol insufficiency can lead to excess of oxidative stress, which causes cellular aging. And in long term, it will increase the risk of chronic disease such as cardiovascular disease. One of the herbal products that is rich of phytonutrients is Fytomaxx. Fytomaxx is formulated from natural ingredients consisting of selected fruits, vegetables, and herbs such as dragon fruit, mangosteen, kiwi, celery, etc. And the Fytomaxx has been clinically tested for its potential for anti-diabetic activity. This clinical trial was conducted in Universitas Gadjah Mada Hospital in 2015. It was a single-center randomized double-blind clinical trial. 47 type 2 diabetes patients with metformin in Universitas Gadjah Mada Hospital who met inclusion criteria were selected and randomly divided into two groups. The one group is Fytomaxx and the second is placebo. And they receive Fytomaxx or placebo for about 3 months or 12 weeks. They use the Fytomaxx or placebo 10 drops 3 times a day for 12 weeks. The change in fasting plasma glucose, postprandial plasma glucose, and A1C from the baseline were measured pre and post after intervention with interval of 12 weeks. Results show that Fytomaxx can have significant reduction in fasting plasma glucose compared to placebo in 12 weeks. It indicates that the Fytomaxx has potential anti-diabetic activity. Well, what is the unique point of Fytomaxx? Bioprocess or fermentation technology is an important biotechnology process which provided the natural process for food processing in industry. It involves complete living cells like micro, mammalian or plant, organelles or enzyme as the biocatalyst, and will aim to bring about specific chemicals and or physical change in biochemicals materials derived from the medium. Some studies show that fermentation can enhance the bioaccessibility and bioavailability of nutrients and also improve organoleptic properties. The fermentation process carried out in the production of Fytomaxx is also expected to improve the quality of the product, such as maintaining product stability and improve the health benefit of the product. So now, why fermentation process applied in Fytomaxx? First, it is expected to improve nutritional quality. Microorganisms not only are catabolic, which break down the more complex compound, but they also are anabolic and synthesize several complex vitamins and other growth factors. Breakdown in digestible coatings and cell walls, both chemical and physically, will improve the liberation of the nutrient locked into plant structure and cell. By enhancing the activity of enzyme, fermentation also reduces the levels of anti-nutrient in food, leading to increased bioavailability of mineral. The second reason is that by fermentation, it improves the activity of the Fytomaxx in immunity system. A variety of secondary plant metabolites, including polyphenols produced from the fermented food, might also contribute to the beneficial effect as antioxidant and immunomodulatory action. Lactic acid bacteria exert anti-carcinogenic effect either by prevention of cancer initiation or by suppression of initiated cancer. The next reason why fermentation process is applied to Fytomaxx is it is expected to provide natural preservative. Most of organic acid like acetic acid, citric acid, and others are produced by fermentation. Those organic acids are commonly used in food industry as natural preservative for the product complied to as a natural health supplement product. Therefore, it can maintain the stability of product and prevent added chemical preservative. Next is to improve bioavailability of the nutrient. The fermentation process is expected to improve the bioavailability of minerals by the hydrolysis of phytate, folate biofortification, and detoxification of mycotoxin due to the surface binding capacity of the yeast cell wall. The specific benefit of the increasing bioavailability of nutrient is increase the absorption and utilization by the body cell for better metabolic support at the cellular level. Well, that's all my sharing today. I hope it can guide you to choose the best herbal product containing complete phytonutrients for maintaining and improving your health. Thank you for watching. Ladies and gentlemen, I did research on Fytomaxx about 5 years ago on type 2 diabetes patient, and I found that Fytomaxx can help reduce the fasting plasma glucose after regular consumption for 3 months. With the unique process of Fytomaxx production, it provides many phytonutrients that give health benefit, not only for diabetes, but also for maintaining our health status.
Thank you, the great sharing and overview of the phytonutrient by Professor Dr. Zullies. I'm sure this sharing may give us a better view and understanding of the phytonutrient, a nutraceutical compound which play an important role in prevention and the total health balance in our daily life. Ladies and gentlemen, what is interesting about phytonutrient is that each group has unique health benefits. No one fruit and vegetable contain every phytonutrient. By eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, you can maximize the health benefit from the phytonutrient. Fytomaxx is a functional food which made from a selected natural botanical ingredient, which are processed and served in the form of concentrated drops of phytonutrient. It has a unique chemical diversity, provide the nutraceutical property to the biological function in the body, dedicated the power of the plants, generally improve the body health. It contains micronutrients such as the amino acid, mineral, and vitamin, which help to support a healthy function of cardiovascular, brain, eye, skin, and also immune system. The study indicate that phytonutrients add synergetic condition in their natural food source, meaning that when 2 or more phytonutrients are found naturally in the food, they often work together to provide an even greater health benefit to the body. Fytomaxx contains ready use of functional phytonutrients in form of synergetic effects, which is able to provide the pre-digested form and ready use compound to act as the protector regulator instantly in the body system. It can be the best alternative option to ensure the efficiency and variety of the best beneficial result to our body. We recommend that individual take Fytomaxx 3 times a day for 90 days. Just drop 10 drops Fytomaxx in glass of water or beverage and drink freshly. Feeding the body with the phytonutrient through the Fytomaxx can help you to revitalize your body and enhance the body protection. And those 90 days are optimum to getting into that wonderful stage of optimum health. We have received some questions from our follower regarding to today's topic. We will try our best to answer the question. The first question from our follower is like this. How do I know I'm getting enough and the right phytonutrient? Thank you for your question. I think this is a good question. As shared by Professor Dr. Zullies, phytonutrient is a natural nutraceutical compound from plants. It contains a natural antioxidant and immuno-enhancer agent which is able to provide a positive impact to our health. Basically, phytonutrients do not cause overdose conditions in our body. Most of the phytonutrients from food may be utilized by our body for a proper biological function in the body all the time. Therefore, you don't have to focus on a single or mono manage your intake. Just put plenty of color on your plates. As a general guideline, you should eat 5 servings of fruits and vegetables every day as recommended by the World Health Organization. Or you can take the Fytomaxx to fill up the gap of phytonutrient intake from the diet. We have another question from our follower. The question is like this. Is phytonutrients just about color of plant? Well, phytonutrient is a primary and secondary metabolic compound of plant which not only giving the color, it also giving a taste and smell of the plant too. Color is only one of the great guide. In general, the brighter and deeper of the color, the more phytonutrient a fruit or vegetable content. Remember, phytonutrients are natural metabolic compounds from plant. As a result, they have a naturally bitter and astringent flavor. So with color, the stronger of the flavor, the higher concentration of the phytonutrients. We have another question from our follower. The question is like this. What are the key health benefits of phytonutrient? I think this is also a good question. As we discussed that phytonutrients are metabolic compounds from plant sources such as vegetables and fruits. Every fruit and vegetable contain multiple phytonutrients which combine to offer a variety of health benefits. Let me to share some common phytonutrient groups. The first one is regarding carotenoid. This phytonutrient component is most often found in yellow, orange, and red color food. In some cases, the body is able to convert them to vitamin A, which is important for the healthy vision. Carotenoid also boosts the immune system and reduce inflammations to prevent some chronic disease. The second is ellagic acid. This phytonutrient is most found in berry and grapes. Ellagic acid is proven to protect against cancer by slowing the growth of the tumor cell in the body. And the third one, this is the biggest phytonutrient, we call it polyphenols. This is a large class of phytonutrients such as phenolic acid, flavonoid, found in citrus fruits, which act as a very good antioxidant to neutralize the free radical in the body. The study had found that this type of the phytonutrient has been linked to improve cardiovascular health. The fourth one is saponins. Beans, legumes, and soybeans have high concentration of saponin, which may help to lowering the cholesterol level, strengthen the immune system, and reduce the risk of the cancer. In other words, Fytomaxx is an alternative and good source of phytonutrient to enhance the body need to provide a better health, protection, and stamina in your daily life. We still have many questions from the follower. Unfortunately, we did not have enough time to answer all the questions. Please leave your message here so that we can get the feedback to you soon. This is all about for this episode. Next episode, we will discuss further in Fytomaxx, source of the phytonutrient and how the phytonutrient helps in health regulating and maintaining for the optimum health. Living a smart lifestyle can lead to a healthy, happy, and harmony life. Thank you and see you in the BizWorld platform soon.